Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay, and this is where they're going to be building the massive Moon Palace Montego Bay Hotel. We are out by Lilliput. This beach area is actually called a Success Beach. To the left is Sea Castles, and to the right of us is where they're building the Unico Hotel. Now, the Moon Palace, Montego Bay. You have Moon Palace Ocho Rios, which is 700 rooms, and that building is actually the tallest building in Ocho Rios. It's where you used to have Jamaica Grand. And this hotel now in Montego Bay is going to be 1,350 rooms, and this building is going to be 33 floors, making it the tallest building in Jamaica. It's also going to be the tallest building in the English-speaking Caribbean. So they had a groundbreaking ceremony recently, and as you can see, they have cleared the land and construction should start very soon. Now this strip is going to have 4 of the largest hotels in Jamaica. And this strip is just an indicator of the kind of development taking place in the tourism sector. You're going to have the Moon Palace, 1,350 rooms. Beside it, you're going to have the Unico, 451 rooms. And beside the Unico, you're going to have the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, which is over 1,000 rooms. And then beside that one, you have Ibera Star. Ibera Star is built already, and the Unico is under construction. Should finish late this year or early next year. And then after they build the Unico, they will build the Hard Rock. Okay, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the Moon Palace. And at the top of the screen, that is that tall white building all the way at the top. Just came out of view now. That is the Unico. A new chapter in Jamaica's luxury tourism landscape is being written with the construction of the Moon Palace the Grand, Montego Bay, a transformative resort development by the Palace Company. Valued at approximately US $700 million, this massive project is among the largest single tourism investments ever undertaken in Western Jamaica. Located in Success St. James, just east of the Montego Bay city center, the resort signals a renewed confidence in Jamaica's hospitality industry and its growing reputation as a destination for world-class accommodations. The resort, once complete, is expected to feature around 1,350 luxury rooms and suites, including an exclusive collection of overwater bungalows, a first of its kind for the Montego Bay area. The design embraces the grand resort concept, bringing together ultra-modern amenities, expansive entertainment options, and signature dining experiences. Plans include more than 13 restaurants and bars, a state-of-the-art spa, a water park, surf simulator, bowling alley, and multi-level infinity pool overlooking the Caribbean Sea. Collectively, these offerings will position Moon Palace Montego Bay among the premier luxury resorts in the Caribbean. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. But I must say, this is a very nice beach. Just looking at it. It's probably the reason why this entire area is going to have so many massive hotels. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.